Beer's done. Rain stopped. Let's go. Looks beautiful, doesn't it, guys? That light is fabulous, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. And we can see part of the night market is setting up here.
That night market has grown. I can't believe how big it is and how much it has spread. So, and all kinds of souvenirs, everything you might ever want.
All right, but first, dinner. Mango rooms. Let's have a look. Looks nice. Yeah.
Nice lighting, nice buildings.
Yep. Hello.
Are you booking, buddy?
No? Yeah.
No booking?
Yeah, booking.
Are you booking?
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, Susan.
Hi.
Is that you?
Yes, are you Chef Duc?
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You got a camera going on?
Yeah.
Hi.
Very small one.
How are you?
Stephanie.
Hi, Stephanie. Nice to meet you. Welcome back.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good to be back.
Nice to be back.
Oh my God.
You told him it was my birthday?
I didn't.
How did he know?
They've been looking.
Awesome.
Wow, thank you so much.
It is my birthday soon.
It is.
Now I'm embarrassed. I've
Happy
never had a
birthday.
sign like that for me. The guest of honor.
Well, you sit on this
Okay.
side
That's
so you get the view. And look at the view, guys.
what a spot.
What a
Look at the light
spot.
on those boats.
So definitely, if you're in Hoi An, splurge one night and
Yeah.
come down here to Mango Rooms.
Definitely. And I might get a mango sunset. Yeah.
Sounds good. All
It
right,
is my birthday and I have the sign to prove it.
and look what's come. We have some salsa, which we've already hooked into, with some rice cakes,
Rice paper.
rice paper grilled.
Yep.
And what's that drink, Stephanie?
Mango Fandango. Looks amazing. It's got passion fruit in it as well, so yeah, how could I resist? So it's vodka, mango, passion fruit.
Lime.
Mm. That's nice.
Is it?
That's
good.
beautiful. Mm.
That's delicious.
Mm. And since somehow it's my birthday, I thought I'd go all out.
What do you mean somehow?
Well-
When is your birthday?
My birthday's Wednesday, so it's still a few days away. But I didn't know we were celebrating, but obviously we are. So cocktails are cocktails all around.
Obviously. Happy birthday, Stephanie. It's gorgeous here, isn't it?
Yeah, what a spot.
Vietnamese fish sauce. This country's most highly prized ingredient. And tonight we'll observe Chef Duc as he creates a nok am cham from his mother's age-old recipe. Delicious, yes. We're fans of sparkling.
Very nice.
Fancy stuff. So, ladies, and I'm going to show you. Welcome to Mango Rooms. I'm going to
Thank
show
you.
you my secrets of my mother. My
Wow,
mother gave it to me.
fantastic.
My beautiful 5 years fish sauce.
Yeah.
This fish sauce, I've been collaborating with a friend in the south of here, halfway between here in Saigon, and we collaborate together, get beautiful black anchovy, 3 parts of it, and 1 part of sea salt, mix it together, and we incubate it, ferment it, let it sit, let it age for 5 years. Check this out.
Give it a smell.
Take a smell of it. If you want to taste it, well, it's a it's special because that's how. When I gave it to my great auntie and great uncle, when we guys discovered it like a year ago, and I finally bring it out, and they say, "Where did you find this fish sauce?" I haven't tasted this fish sauce in 30, 40 years.
Because they don't make it good like that anymore.
Right.
It's the old
Wow.
stuff.
They make it now 1 year, and they take it out. and they dilute it. What we have here, I have a garlic, ginger, and chili. Ginger garlic give us the bitter taste. The chili, it give us the sense stimulant. They make your eye water, and make your ear pop, make your nose run, and make your mouth water. And when you water and your mouth water, you receive more taste.
Chef's story is an inspiring one. He was urged by his family to escape Vietnam at the age of 16. He made a dangerous journey from Vietnam to Malaysia in the hull of a boat.
What makes special about this fish sauce, Susan, is that after the third year during the fermentation, the salt is start to recrystallize itself. So on the 5th year, you get about 1% of the salt has recrystallized itself into this beautiful diamond.
You're alone and 16
At 16 years old,
and went to Malaysia.
went to Malaysia. We're cruising out there, and after 7 nights and 6 days, and I was lucky. My boat ended up in Malaysia, refugee camp. In Malaysia, and they packed us in, and then they sent me out to the refugee camp called Pulau Bidong on the beautiful island. Beautiful, next to Thailand, next to Malaysia, there was a
Okay.
Terengganu. Yeah, and I've survived there for a few months and cooking. Here come the sweet,
Yep.
sour, and bitter together. We're gonna taste it.
Good?
Not bad. Now it's just bitter, and it's sour, and it's spicy. The spicy part is kind of come towards the back of your throat a little bit. It's tingling. And now it's going away. So I want you guys to taste it. Ready?
Yep.
One. I'm gonna go with 1.5 because it's pure stuff. Now, let's calm down. It's spicy. I think I put a little bit extra chilies in there.
From there, he was lucky enough to make it to the United States.
I was fostered to Texas by a Mexican-American family in Bay City, Texas.
Wow, fantastic. So that was a lucky break.
That was amazing. You know, I got a roof over my head. I get to meet people, and I get to hang out, and I get to do American things. And here's my little secret: beautiful olive oil. Sometimes they use a peanut oil in here to kind of calm things down a little bit and round it up a little bit. But we can just use olive oil on this one.
Living in America gave him the opportunity to forge his love for cooking. He made his way around the world and eventually, 20 years later, after leaving, settled back in Vietnam. This is his restaurant, this is his story, and this is his Nok Mam Cham. Yeah, that's quite different now, isn't it?
Ta-da!
Woohoo, chef, look at that. That's fantastic. Oh my God.
No, they don't.
All right, I think I've got a little bit of everything.
Something that would go. So that's great. And micheladas. Did we talk about those the other day?
Not yet.
Okay, yeah.
Not yet.
Micheladas are like.
Flavor explosion.
Yeah, and perfectly balanced. You have the
Recipe, but I had locals come into my bar that was
sour from the lemon and the limes. You have spicy from the chili. You've got that umami.
come in and say this is the best.
It really does get
The crunch from the mango,
Yeah, the crunch
the
from
salt
the
from the
mango.
fish.
the sweet from the sugar. Oh, beautiful.
Wow, boy. Flavor burst. Wow. Just magnificent. I love the cilantro. The coriander. Very nice indeed. The fish. Wow. Fantastic.
So fresh.
So fresh.
Yeah, so fresh. So lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Chef. That was an awesome demonstration. Cheers. And
Pleasure, Susan.
thanks, Lucy. Thanks,
Yeah.
Stephanie. Having a birthday.
Gotta look in the eyes.
Cheers, guys. What have you got there, Stephanie?
I've got the cocoa duck. So this is smoked for 10 days, I think. And it's also got coconut in it. And you supposedly put it on bread.
It's been smoked with coconut.
Smoked with coconut for 10 days. And I don't know, we've got some different sauces, different jams. Just put that on there. Get a bit of the duck.
That looks delicious.
This looks amazing. This was actually the chef's recommendation.
And some mango.
Some mango. Oh, I can't get it. Okay. There we go. Mango. A little bit of coconut. Okay. We take a bite. Looks like a perfect bite. Oh. That's amazing.
That
Can
duck
really
could
tell-
be amazing, eh?
The smokiness. You can really taste that it's been smoked. This is a little bit spicy, sweet, sour mango. So once again, it is about balancing all these different flavors. Really delicious.
Is that shredded mango there?
Coconut. That's
It's
what I thought.
coconut?
Yep, shredded coconut. Absolutely delicious.
It's
What
been a
perfect
fantastic
meal.
evening, hasn't
Oh,
it?
I feel so spoiled. I also had way too much champus, enjoying myself, having an awesome time. Wow, I highly recommend you come to Mango Rooms.
Okay, so we have some shredded sweet potato and taro here, mixed with some chili, I think, or it might be capsicum, I'm not sure, but I'm not going to try that just yet. We have some onion and of course flamingo of the sea. What else could we have but a beautiful prawn? So let me try this. So let's give this prawn a go. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. That is fabulous. Oops, I'm dropping it. That is delicious. I think my new haircut's disappeared into the darkness. I think I got too much cut off, guys. What can I do? I need to get a wig. Any wig recommendations out there? And look at this. Here we have taro and sweet potato, shredded, deep fried by the looks of it. Oh my god. That is good. That is good. Wow. Well guys, what a fantastic evening. Fantastic food, fantastic restaurant, wonderful chef, so generous with his time.
And an amazing experience. So definitely, if you are in Hoi An and you want a special night out, or even if you're just feeling like, you know, having something different, come here. This is the place to be. Amazing experience.
Indeed. Hey, Mango Rooms is where it's at, right?
And there's the bubble bar.
There's a bubble bar if you need some more drinks. Honestly, we had a fantastic time.
Yeah. What a night to remember.
Yes.
Amazing. And the food was delicious.
Top notch.
Top notch.
And to think that they went to the trouble to find out that your birthday was coming up.
Yeah, I mean, I still don't know how that happened, but anyway, I'll take it. It was great. What a lovely birthday experience.
Indeed. All right, guys, signing off from here in Hoi An. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks
are?
for watching.
Girls on the Loose.
We are. Bye-bye for
Catch you
now.
next time.
Bye-bye.